Hello, we're working on 4.1 where we are solving equations with variables on both sides. So for example A, getting started, we're going to follow the steps listed at the top of the page. Looking at what we have, 7x plus 12 equals 4x minus 9. First step says to distribute, but in this case I do not have anything to distribute, no parentheses. Second step says, well, combine like terms. If I look at the left side, I have 7x plus 12, cannot combine those. On the right side, I have 4x minus 9, I cannot combine those. So now I'm on to step 3, where it says move all variables to one side using addition or subtraction. I prefer to have my variables on the left side, so in that case, I need to move this 4x over here. But right now, this is a positive 4x, so in essence, to move it over, I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to subtract it from both sides. And now combining like terms, adding down 7x minus 4x, 3x. Nothing to combine with 12 equals 4x minus 4x is no x, and now a negative 9. Now step number 4 says move all constants to the other side. So the constant I have here is this 12. I need to get it over here on the right side with the negative 9. So instead of adding 12 to both sides, I have to subtract it. 3x is equal to negative 21. And finally, or almost finally, we are now to step 5, multiply or divide to solve. So I have 3 times x. And so instead of multiplying by x, I need to divide. So I can, not multiplying by x, instead of multiplying by 3, I need to divide both sides by 3. And finally, I have x equals negative 7. Now the last step asks me to check. That means substitute this, x equals negative 7, into my original equation and see if it works. Does the left side equal the right side? So working on that, substituting x equals negative 7 in. And on the left side, I have a negative 49 plus 12 is equal to a negative 28 minus 9. Simplifying over on the left side, a negative 37. And then on the right side, a negative 37. Yes, this is a true statement. X equals negative 7 does work. We have a solution. All right, stay tuned for the next example, example B, on lesson 4.1.